This is the mannequin I'm going to be using for my hair, and she's basically just picking the attachment. This style is a Knotless Crochet Ponytail Braid Wig. Wow, that's long, but yeah, this is a style that I always wanted to do because it's easy and very simple. The extension being used here is from Expression, and it's into cut 3 in color 30. And this is how it looks after she's done brushing. This is the ponytail wig cap I'm going to be using. Because it's small, we have to pin it down or else it won't stay on the mannequin's head. So we're just going to pin it down so we can start the process. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, welcome to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So we're just going to show you how this is done. This is the crochet pin we're going to be using, or she's going to be using, because all I'm doing is just videoing. Then she's going to put it into the small holes. I want my wig to be in small sizes and very full, so this is going to serve as the hair, and the second one will serve as the attachment that she will use to make the braids. This is what makes it a knotless crochet ponytail braid wig. Then she's going to repeat the same process again so that you can see it well and properly and understand how it is done. It's actually really simple, but I'm just very lazy, that's why. This is an up-close view on how this is done, how she braids the braids, how she makes it basically. She's going to continue the process for the rest of the hair because it's bum length. Yeah, bum length. And this is halfway into the wig. She hasn't finished with the tips, but she'll probably finish it by the time we're done with this video. I love the color of this attachment. Then this is my hair. I just loosened my hair after being on Ghana weaving for about 3 weeks. So I want to deep condition and treat it before making my shuku. So I'm going to be using Afro by Nature deep conditioner to just deep condition my hair and then make it, soft and avoid any breakage from my scalp. Then I'm going to use the shower cap to avoid or reduce rather the heat from the steaming cap that she's going to be using on my hair. And that is the steaming cap. Guys, this thing is hot. Do not be deceived by how small it is. It is very hot. And then, oh my god, look at my wig, guys. It's actually done, but we haven't put it in hot water yet. But quite long. Wahoo! I didn't see this coming. It's actually longer than bum length, but I mean, who doesn't like a butt length? So this is the hot water process, guys. This is one reason why I hate braiding my hair. I hate this particular process. I'm very sorry that the mannequin scalp is gonna burn from the heat, but it'll be all right. Yeah, so basically process is just to help straighten the tip of the wig and make it really smooth, and she's going to use her fingers to detangle it so that it's smooth, and then trim it so that it is smooth and clean and neat. Damn, oh my god, I can't wait to put it on my head, guys. Then I'm going to be using my Afro by Nature leave-in conditioner just to apply a little bit on the head to just give it a little bit of neatness and softness. Then I'm going to be using my growth oil from Afro by Nature as well, just to give it a little bit of sheen, allow it shine, oil the hair so that it looks very oiled. I'm going to use my oil sheen spray, and spray the living life out of my wig so that it is shiny. We're having sheen up and down. And then that is it. I'm just going to be removing all the pins and take it off the mannequin because we're basically done. My last application is my spray gel, just to allow it, you know, have a firm and mousse look or mousse look. So this is my hair. So now I'm back to my father's house. So I'm just going to show you how to put this on your hair. I've done my shuku already. These 2 pins are here for a reason, to help make sure that the wig is held properly on your hair. Please be careful with that pin or those pins because they are sharp and they can injure your scalp if you are not careful. So you need to take your time and hook it right. Then use the rope to tighten it and just basically to adjust it to your taste and your, you know, tightness. And I'm just going to wrap it around so that I can hide the rope from, you know, showing. Then I'm going to use the part of the braids to also wrap around to hide the rope so that it looks more natural, like I actually made this on my hair instead of it being a wig. You should better not use anybody to drag this thing from my hair. It's not even be funny. God will not shame Mosha. Then this is the back view. This is how it looks on my hair. I really like the color of this hair though. I really do. Damn. Bum length. Booty length. Oshe, wavy hair. Give them. They don't know. Eskele baby. Tio le baby. Yala ya anybody. Hey, bad girls. Moto son. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, put on the bell if you haven't, leave a comment for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Tega Lagos loves you.